I mean, just holding now. This could very well be a div, but it's yo, what's up? Yeah, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay, we have. Let's mark it out. Let's mark it out. Yeah. I think this would be a better one. Yeah, sounds alright. It looks alright. Let me just set everything up. Minimize this. Yo, what's up? Welcome everyone. So yeah, since I was trading, why not? Do it together. And how can I do this? I also want to have the trading screen. Just a sec. I need my terminal somewhere. How can we do this? I want to see the chat screen only and not this one. Yeah, oh, I don't want that. Nope. Just a sec, guys. We need to make this as logical as possible. Yeah, when I minimize it, it just shows me I want to be able to see that. Okay, let me just try this. I'm gonna take this one. For fuck's sake. Shut up. Maybe if I do this, then it will, I will maybe take this one out, minimize this. Yeah, now I have the I have the chat and the all right. Now I think I can do it now. All right. Now I have the terminal on one side. Yeah, I need one more screen. This to make it proper. So. I don't need chat to be this big. I can minimize you guys. Not saying much. And take this guy out again. Yes. Enlarge. All right, I think I'm set. Let's do this. I'm gonna use Bybit for now. still pissed at FTX. All right, let's discuss. First of all, let me give you the screen. Here's the screen, right? All right. You know, I try to help everyone, you know, as much as I can. When people ask me questions through Twitter, I try to give the best possible answers. But sometimes there are some people really, whatever I post, they have an idea either contrary or supporting, which they think obviously that I care. Because I'm not there to debate, you know. I just share ideas. If you like it, take it. If you don't like it, leave it. This guy saying, for example, I think one of them saying they weren't expecting this. Why? Why are you not expecting this? All of this here, not this one, this one. Why are you not expecting this? It always happens like that. If you're not expecting this, then you're not basically paying attention to what's happening. All right, let's try to find what we can do with this. Okay, let's modify this range a bit. Let's take this here. Let's take that there. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty much hit the range. Actually, my range would be this. But that's a more logical range for me because high taken out, now low taken out. And this is a deviation as it suggests here also. And then sell off. That was the idea of the short, eat short actually. I was timing with this. So now I've been short, I've been longing since here. I long this, I long that. Now, I don't know. I'm definitely, okay, let's rewind back, guys. Let's rewind back. You can do it. Let me just close the screen share and maybe take this guy out to a different network. How the fuck? Really? With this program, I'm supposed to use the same network, but this guy is connected to another. The other computer is connected to another network. I have 3 networks in the house. And they still work for some reason. Okay. And I just shut down the... Okay, whatever. It's some other place. No SL for now. No SL because the problem is I'm building the position here, building the position there. So I just don't want to see a clean break like this. And then I'll get out. Because it's not the full position. So what we have here is this range, consolidation range before the breakout, right? So I still take that. As you know, I like to extend these ranges. They're still relevant. And let's see how relevant this was. That was our range high. Actually, let me see if yeah, I think this is better. That's a better range. Yeah, I'll do that. That's a better range. That's a better range. Yeah, exactly. I don't know what this was. Ah, okay. This was the all-time high. Actually, this was the all-time high. Yeah. See, it's the first high. It should be. Yeah. It's the first high before the all-time high. So it's that one. Also coincides with. Yeah, almost. Okay, and then it broke out. So if we move this, we obviously see this level, right? Which we deviated above again. That was a deviation of this level. That's the biggest deviation, and then move back. So what we have here is now we also reacted to the mid-range very well. Now that's first resistance area now, and also you can box it like this, since that's the also the low. Let's check what's going on there. So pretty good, huh? Pretty good range. Pretty good range we have there. Yeah, like to the tick. Not even that this first high, whatever bullshit is. Let's take. So we know that it's pretty much here, but look, this is like to the tick. So that's a good level. These are also very accurate. So I think that range is accurate now. See, that's why you need to play with them a little bit, so until they make sense. So the SL situation. My idea was, when this breaks and takes out this low, which is here, I was waiting for something like so. When it came there, come back, and then at least push towards there, and then do something like that. So I took the long there. And I took another long there, somewhere there. But the problem is, it's only, now it can still do that, right? Then that could be a triple drive, and then run maybe towards there, and then do something like that. Or I mean, maybe can still go up. Why not? It's still range bound, no? Still range bound. If it reclaims this, isn't it still range bound? Can still go there, right? Can still go there. Can still go there, there. Now the objectives are to the upside. There's nothing here. Obviously, it's not about liquidity objectives. It's only when it's in a range. Now that we're in a range, let's see what we have. We have this zone, key point, right? Key level. And this liquidity, and this liquidity. Let's check that liquidity. Okay, okay, where's our, just to show you guys. I hate. Well, it's obvious, right? Where is more targets? Just hate these guys. Hate these guys. Yeah. The pain is there. Yeah, you can still liquidate these guys, reclaim, and then push, start hitting these levels. But then again, don't forget, if this shit gets accepted below there, then like this, it's gonna be like direct nuke towards there. I mean, as you see, we're not really far away from that. If I was for example, for me, this is a very good spot buy. Why? Because you can start positioning here, all the way down to here, all the way down to there, right? Buy some here, buy some here. If you're a long-term trader, of course, buy some there and do whatever that does. And then even it comes to there, you know, look, this is 15,000. Let's say you got it 20,000. Then you add more at 10,000. Let's say if it comes there, 10,000. Basically, if you bought 10K here, 10K worth of Bitcoin, which is like 0.5, I think, yeah, 0.5 Bitcoin, half a Bitcoin. And then at 10K, for the same money, you can get one. And your total coins are going to be 1.5. And it's not going to be, your average is not going to be there. It's going to be here. So whenever it bounces like this, you're already in profit. So DCAing at these levels, I'm not saying DCA here, DCA here, DCA here, that doesn't make sense, but this is dip. Can it go any lower? Yes, but this is, I mean, that's less likely. Yeah, average 15K. No, you have 1.5 Bitcoin and you spent 1.5, 15K, 10K you spent. Yeah, you spent 20K. So if you divide these guys to each other, 20K. Yeah, 13.3 exactly. Your average, that's what I said. Your average should be somewhere there. So whenever it bounces, you're already in profit, even if you got at this price point. Your average is there. And when it comes there, for example, it's gonna bounce somehow, right? You can realize some here, you're already this much profit, which is 36%. And then you look what it does. Maybe you start positioning again. Range lows, reclaim, you position again, then you're like aping at this point if it does something like that. Horrible color. Horrible color. Isn't there any more green? Kind of better. Okay. So yeah, So this is the last resort. Because that was the last consolidation before the breakout. That's your demand zone basically. If we start breaking down, then it means that zone is broken. Then it's gonna take us automatically towards there, I mean, which ones? 12K, 8K, everything can happen. But I mean, looking at this, we are closer to bottom than top, right? So let's check what's going on here. Okay, I put the shit here and the shit did its job. Now what we want to see is maybe come down there, finally give us a div. Finally give us a div, and this is what for 15 minutes. I'm looking for if we have any divs. This is a weird one, not really a div, but just I was gonna check something. Yeah, see, all liquidations are here. So it only makes sense if it just dips down there, kills these guys, start attacking this then. That would be... Actually, I'm not expecting... first, my target is not here. My target is this further, because you see this compression? Again, so much liquidity there. Run, kill these guys, and do whatever you want. And that was our range, not the level. Oops, this was our level. So we need to reclaim, and then we're targeting these guys. I was gonna check something else though, and I cannot do it here. These are not the indicators I want. What do I want? Here are the other ones. See, CVD isn't really agreeing with this guy. It's saying that market sellers are being absorbed. But I want to check some other charts data. Hopefully it's gonna give us a trade. But look, it's also the stupidity, because I think I was so bummed out with this FTX things. I mean, what to do, but still. So I didn't think straight basically about this, because why would I want to bother with longing this when I can short pretty much anything else, like this guy. Like for example, when is it? Today 8th, 9th. Yeah, for example. short this instead, 60%. Or injective. This obviously didn't happen. And that worked very well. And look, when it's taken out again, evolving ranges. We could have just taken this out here. Yeah. We don't need this anymore. We don't need this anymore. So basically, you know, we could have just shorted these, but I was so pissed. I wanted to have a big long. So yeah, sometimes no matter how long have you been trading, you still fall into these traps. Sometimes I do it by knowingly. I know that I'm doing wrong, but I do it anyways. Yes, exactly. And look to this ETH pitch. Look what it's doing right now. Like it's trying to close back inside. If it does, then what is this then? It still protected the highs of this consolidation, right? Still this area is protected. If it closes above, we don't know yet. And there is the SFP. So basically, where's my pen? Yes, exactly. Let's see what's going on in the lower time frames. Let's get rid of this guy. Yeah, I think I'll do this high time frame, so just gets out of the way. So what are these levels again? Okay, I need to understand first of all what these levels were. Okay, that was this. Okay, that range levels. Okay, that was that. But I see some. I think I see some other range here. Maybe in the lower time frame I did something. Okay, that's range low. Okay, this range low is trying to be reclaimed somehow. I see there's another range here in the lower time frame. That's why it's yeah, I think so. No, okay, it's that one. It's that one. It's that one. It's range low, mid range, and range high. Let's see if we have any triggers here. I mean, look, sorry. And now it's kind of pushing, right? And you can use these memes like this, for example. Actually, like that. This is better. So if it breaks this, it's also going to break that and hold. Then we'll run it towards there and there. And we'll see if it holds long again. It sounds fine for now. This looks fine. So many levels, really. I wanted to clean, but since I'm explaining, I need all the levels. Also, these guys are sucker punched, basically. Look, aggressive, short selling, but not reflected really on the price so much. Now something like this comes, then but we need to see the break. So basically we want this to break first, and it's gonna also break the diagonal old. So we're waiting for that now. I think it's breaking. How shall I take the trades? I'll just get it. Just have a position. Okay, this is it right now. Okay. What's happening here? FTX shows 1000. No, Bybit shows 1152. This is something wrong, something seriously wrong with this. Something seriously wrong. No, my terminal is fucked up for some reason. Yeah, they finally broke crypto. They really broke crypto. Okay, now it's back online. Okay, I refreshed it. Okay, and another one, we probably want it to be above there, so we don't want it to go back below there. I'll just cut it there. I don't want to fuck with this. I'm here for the fun. I'm here for the breakouts. If it's breaking out, then I'm there. Not. It's like to shut down a few more because terminal is slow right now. Yeah, FTX is fucked up right now. This is FTX chart, right? Fuck. Yeah, I'll find myself a new chart. Actually, I need a Bybit chart. Where's the Bybit? Needs Bybit. Perpetuals. Okay, let's identify some levels here from scratch. Basically, the easy way is we need to break this, hold above, attack these first. So let's start with scalp, and then maybe run these, because the lows are ran now here. I think normally I can take a better position, bigger position with this validation. Because the invalidation is clear. I mean, it shouldn't come under here again. Only problem is we don't know if it's gonna break out from here. Let's see. Okay, right, again, this is clear too because we had a here structure break, clean these laws, invalidation there, and re-entry. I'm gonna layer some bits around there. Okay, just bear with me. I'm gonna layer some bits. No, I don't want T-Wrap. Scale. Start from here. And from there, maybe too much. There. And 6 orders is gonna be too much for that. Let's go. Let's get this much. Post. Ready. Let's take the stop also. Okay, let's go. Orders placed. So basically it looks like something like that. Just close this also. I layered bits there, invalidation there. Basically I want this kind of demand zone area to hold, but also considering that this is a range, so basically it can come all the way down and then do whatever it does. The beauty of it is I know that I don't want to be in this trade. If it breaks this, that's it. So that's why clear invalidation. If you want to take the trade here, doesn't matter. Yeah, if FTX, I should just use the Bybit chart now. I'm not trading at FTX anymore. Why would I want to increase my worth there when I cannot touch my money? Actually, it's good because it just, if you join them, actually I thought about that too. Minutes, 5 minutes looking good. Only 1 minute, it's not. See now, see that's what I'm not doing live trading because it's boring. We need a fast moving asset, like, let me see if you have any. Whoa, what the fuck is that really? Just a sec. Who is this? Somebody died. Oxy. What the fuck is Oxy? Oxy is dead. Why is it on my list? Why is this on my list? This was never living. This never lived. Born dead. Yes, would. But maybe my E-Trade will front run the BTC, right? And plus, it doesn't need to run the loaf right now, because actually this loaf is from like years ago. There's nothing there. It's just procedure. What we want is just maybe like to have a divergent structure or something that would boost our confidence. That's all I need. Other than that, I don't need anything else. Because this is just like free fall. I need something to hold on to. Actually, you know what? There is somehow a div structure there, but the AO doesn't agree. So okay, something's moving. Let me see what is moving. Perp. Let's see if we can get in. But that's it. That's again FTX. I need to change my watch lists. See, for example, I want something to see something like that. Wow, this guy just knocked down. Yeah, the volumes are high, relatively high. Nothing here. Nothing here. See, for example, after this, I'm expecting some kind of bottom. That's why, you know, and then maybe this, maybe that. I don't know. Where's our trade? Oxy. I don't want to see again. Deleting you. Yes, now it makes sense. So what else we have? Is this RSR? True. I see this true all the time. Never check the chart. Let's see what true is. Well, delete this too actually. Yeah, maybe. By the way, our ETH, none of the bits filled. But if it's not been traded, then I mean, if nobody's trading, of course it's gonna hold. I just love leading. Most boring market. Let's find us. Cannot find ourselves a nice prey. Let's see what we have here. I'm looking to find something that is about to pop up. Actually, what is this guy? What the fuck is holy? Go win. I mean, this dot chart has this level here. Trading under that now. Let's try to find some multi-levels. Go for that. I mean, if it breaks out, I think it can do some damage, but I don't think it will anytime soon. Let's find ourselves monthly levels. TRX, yeah, TRX is good. Guys are dead. Inch 24% down today. Sushi dead. Dead. The only positive side of that is this. But then it can easily be invalidated like that. So we're just at the. I think dot will exactly come here. I think it's gonna just do this. And then maybe if it reclaims and pushes out of this, and then we maybe see something like that. For now, I just put the alarm. I don't know, maybe it will try to wake up, but I'm not that much interested in this right now. Let's look at it in the range perspective. Okay, you see that? That level I drew, it was actually July's low by chance. And July high taken, July low taken. Now we're trading below the July low. And if this close below here, this monthly, which we have 21 days, and then I think that level is easy peasy. Easy peasy. But then again, it doesn't give us any trades right now. We want trades. So that level is that July low level. Let's see if we have something interesting here. Actually, we do. Okay, I'll keep this. I'll keep this on my list for now. I think this is not updating. Something happened to this. Yeah, but not really the one that I like. It is going without us, I think. Yeah. Just look, this was good actually. You see? Like big coming down, but there's not much interest. People are not shorting this. Market shorters are not there. But the price goes down. I don't know, I better wait for this. If it reclaims, then I'll be interested in this. Much of a I would use my chances on something more reliable. XRP dead, no? Again, and some over under pattern. This actually is good. Fuck, I want to take it. Where? Shit. Where's my list? Don't go. I'm coming. Papa's coming. Just let me check real quick the higher time frames because just okay. Let's close memes here and there. What kind of voodoo magic is this? What kind of in FTX chart? Just let me find the Bible charts. Yeah. Oh no. What happened to... Nah, look at Sol now. 50% down, don't they? Yeah, I should have focused on this one instead of trying to long Bitcoin. Yeah, that was my bad. That was my bad. See how tiny it looks, but it actually accounts for 50%. That's why it's super deceptive, these charts. For example, if you look at them like this, you know, look at this move now. Look, 50% comes here. From the top, 50% down is here. Look. Ultra deceptive. No, this is not log. If it was log, then it would look more reasonable. See, now you can see that that was the 50% down, which is reasonable. Now look at this. That's more distance log-wise. Who uses log charts? I don't know. No, look, if it's like white, like this, white on the top and like small on the bottom, then it's a normal chart. If it's the other way around, if it's tighter on the top and bigger on the bottom, then it's a log chart. It's basically vice versa. Look. So it's very deceptive, normal charts. See, this little move, maybe you don't want to take it, but it's actually bigger move than this move. Yeah, bigger move than this first sell-off. Only this week. This candle. This one. 62%. Aha, just a sec. ETH is coming down, I think. And where's my orders? Only my orders. For some reason, terminal gets stuck. Doesn't show my orders. Connect an API account. Wow. Let's find us a trade. Nothing's happening. Something wrong with Bybit. with my Bybit connection. Either because I'm streaming. It's actually, I'm getting filled right now on ETH. But my terminal doesn't understand it. Let's check ETH. Where is ETH? Something is moving. What is this? FTT. Shall I do it or not? Shall I pull the trigger? Well, actually, I still don't like the position so much in this time frame. It looks like momentum's picking up. Still not a big fan. So basically our position looks like something like this. And I'll probably run towards there. I'm not gonna mess around. Not the best position, but okay. I also layered orders here, so we Gucci. I don't know the exact numbers, but 10 from anywhere to 10 to 20 from. For example, this trade, what if it plays out, it's gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, which means an hour. Well, when I'm taking this, I take other trades. Sometimes I get out very quick. For example, if I see this week, I would run there with 1, 2, 3 candles. And especially if you're trading lower time frames, then the trading did I get filled? I didn't get it filled. How did I not get it filled? It shows as though it touched it. It didn't get filled. Oh, it was a crowded trade then. What is that? 1177. I cannot even. I cannot even see it. It's so far away. I can do this. The problem with this is this look. This here and under resistance. So our best bet is to bounce from here and then hit the target. I forgot to set the target, by the way. It's not gonna sell anything. I'll actually leave some targets there, but let's set this trade up and leave it. Reduce. Post. Fuck, I did post order there. That's why it didn't take me. These are post orders. Ah, no, it took it. It took it. Okay, I cannot delete it. It's already taken. That's what I'm saying. It's just something fucked up with this. It's not updating. I mean, the connection is bad. API connection is fucked up. I think Bybit is overloaded right now. Because whoever ran away from FTX went to Bybit. I think that's the case. Yeah. Yeah, it took my order. Amazingly boring when there's no volatility. If it was like swinging like hell, then that's fun. And that's fun. I have to check this FTT. Something. Ask there. Such a weird chart. I never like these curly charts. It seems so synthetic. Everything curvy. It's like it looks fabricated. SRM. I can't check the SRM. Let's see what happened to this guy. Oof. Oof. No, Sol took a better hit. FTT is doing something. I think I'm gonna get wrecked. Yeah, whatever this guy did yesterday, sold it today. All right, mate. Good night. See you. Yeah, if there is no trade, then we can also. But I have a feeling like this is gonna. Come on, do something. Let's check. Yeah, it looks. It's a low taken. Let's see. I call these bitches because it just touched the low but didn't take it. I mean, yeah, I took it, but it's very very shady one. Like a little bit down, that would be fine, but this is like feels like it can come down here again a little bit deeper and then go. That's why I don't usually trust these guys. Yeah, I can do you guys have some points that you look at least? Maybe we can something happening there. What the hell? These guys, by the way, look, these small moves are like 10-20% moves. So basically if it breaks out from here, then it's from there to there is a good 28% move. And even here it's where's our terminal? Yay, the positive. Fuck, I didn't. Shit, I didn't do it. I didn't notice. Oh. Just. So I took these guys out, but left these. And does it make sense really? Where's our beat? Really doesn't need to come here. Actually here. We can move the stop there. And where would that be on the chart? Ideally, I wouldn't want it to come down there. Come under here. So basically, whatever it's gonna do this. And then we'll see if it holds. Then we'll get in again. But this is a good look. 3 here, 2 here. Last. Come on, man. Oh, where's my stop? Let's put the stop there now. Come on. All you have to do is, that's it. Waiting for so much. Whoops. Whoops. Nah. Dead. What's happening? Is something's nuking? What's BTC doing? Okay. So that trade, I think, got stopped out by this time. That was, there's many. That one is in silico. I talked about it before. Now I cannot find it. It's gone somewhere. What the fuck is happening, really? Let's go out from the 1 minute so we can understand what's going on. Okay, nothing new. Again, this couldn't breach. Oh, let's see if it's gonna give us a div and this and that. I need some symbols on ETH also. I want to pull this to this. Okay. Again, where's my silico? So what happened? Where is it? Ah, here. Yeah, it got stopped. It got stopped, but this guy is still counting. See, there's something wrong with this one. Because, see, it's overloaded. What the fuck? Why didn't I get stopped out? Yeah, but they should have gotten. It's fine. I'll just take it here, small, make it small, because obviously I cannot trade through the terminal right now. I'll open up Bybit. Where's the Bybit chart? Again, this range play, as we talked about, still can do that and even nuke, but we know that this was the invalidation anyways. If it starts breaking down, then it's probably gonna go, of course not this much lower, but lower. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna get it again. I don't want to blind to take this. Because because the structure is not still good, it's still not good. For me, a better trade would be this. That one I would bet more. I would take more, some here and the rest here. Oof. The structure is not good. I think, yeah, it will do something like that, and this. Yeah, I should short this. Tell me, BNB. Oops. Just see the big picture. Oof. Oof. This was weird also. Because as I remember, this hasn't taken out this low. It's equal lows. So I see no reason why this shouldn't do something like this. And even take this one out. Because range-wise, high taken out into demand here, into supply, I'm sorry, into supply here, and then reclaim the range, sell off mid-range. You can do this, go back to take out these guys, even this guy, and then there is a level here. I lost the chat. Yeah. Let's see what Justin Sun will bring. I mean, if they just let me move the funds to FTXTR, then it would be fine for me. It would be fine for me. But I think it's gonna go straight. The news is out. The Binance is with backing from the deal. CZ Binance. What does it say? People are weird, really. They're trying to boycott Binance. They're not asking why you're illiquid to FTX, but I don't see anything news-wise. At least on Twitter. Whoa, FTT took a plunge. Oh, look, you need to see this. Another one. And these are like big. This is big move. 30% this move. Okay, I guess we're just gonna trade FTT. I think we found our guy. FTT, Serum, and so all some products we're gonna be nuking. Which I don't like this one, by the way. I don't like this. I mean, it will probably invalidate, but why take the chance? What about this? This also has some kind of... So, you heard the news or something? How do you know Binance walks away? Fuck this list, I really don't understand this Bybit list. I can find stuff easier there. BTC, where's BTC? Yeah, this is gonna travel fast. Yeah, it's in that zone. See, we talked about this zone. Acceptance inside this zone is gonna just teleport. Oh fuck, we just a sec. I forgot about the trade. That should still on. Okay, I am gonna... I cannot find the... Why is it happening? When there's too much stuff, like when you're streaming, these terminals just get wrecked. It's not the best idea really to use these terminals while streaming. Come on, I just want to... By the way, if it's easily pushed out of here, then that's still... that's still not too bad. Where's ETH? Let's check ETH. Do I close it or not? ETH. This, you said that this guy is not showing right. It's not loading even now. See, it's just like this. Yeah, fuck this. Come on. What is this guy? Like everything. Okay, we found our guy. UIDX. If I can close this shit. If I can, of course. Okay, I'm gonna, on the other side, I'm gonna try to open up Binance, Bybit, and close it manually. That's the problem with these now. They're too much loaded. Margin leverage. By the way, their website is also slow sometimes. It gives me errors for loading. But then maybe I have so much stuff open here and there. I mean, how hard it is to shut down a trade? What's happening? See, it cannot even connect to API. I'm not closing it anyways. I just realized that I never ever traded from this main screen of no man, this Bybit connection is also slow. It's just fuck, this is nightmare of crypto really right now. We're back to the Stone Age. Some bitches boycott Binance, come to Bybit. Some bitches try to run away from FTX, come to Bybit. Now the exchange exploded. Breakout. It's not looking too bad really at this point. Just needs to flip this. Just needs to flip this. Again, just came here, didn't take it. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's a trap. It's a trap. Yeah, I'm gonna mark it out from them and get lower. Alright, I'll just take this down. I'm even wondering if this is really real time. Is it real? And plus this is FTX. Fuck, it doesn't take the orders, you know? Are you guys, any of you guys using Bybit or something, you know? Can you try, if any of you using it, can you try if it's because I'm streaming or it's because it is piece of shit exchange. Yeah, that was our idea. Good. Yeah, this doesn't look good. I think I'll take this trade better up. I don't want to be stuck with this. I cannot even fucking get out of my position. Nah, it's gonna come back down. Come on, get out. It's still trying to close. What are you waiting for? The call. Still trying to close. And then now he's gonna turn around. Fuck, I didn't see this. I didn't see this. Good, because you see, it just, as it beat here, went for the low. Let me get rid of this shit so we can see better. Am I out? Dude, am I out? Use the cell phone. Really, this is pain. Yeah, the worst time. No, I cannot get out. I couldn't get out. That's fucked up, man. Okay, you know what? I'll double it down. I'll double down. Let me see. Okay, I'll just again put the stop there. Oh, this is really bullshit. Their web page is not working. I can only use the application. I logged again. I tried to get out here. It just waited for till here to get out, and it didn't get out. I think this is gonna nuke. It looks like that. Let me just get out of it. Fucking Stone Age. Fucking Stone Age. What trade stop derivatives? Yeah. Just a sec. I don't understand now. I don't seem to have a position. What's going on? On the app, I don't see a position. Well, this is probably gonna nuke. Smash here. Just fuck this. And it's probably, yeah, that's our. Smash here. Let's see. And where did we say we go? Yeah, below this level. Let's throw our levels. Okay, basically that's easy now, right? Because come here, hold above, that's long there, and obviously if it just come up there, start falling back again, that's your short. Lower this time, come back up, come back down, like start trading below, short. So basically we have nice ground for, so basically we have set our, if only we can use the application, then we will be fine. We will be fine. Yeah, because the thing is, all FTX guys now they're trading on these exchanges. Have you seen FTX numbers? Yeah. I mean, of course, well, one of the 5 biggest exchanges died, fucking died. It's weird to say it, but what is exchanges? Crypto exchanges, derivatives. Look at this now. FTX fucking 9th now. Deepcoin, what the fuck is this? BingX, BitGet futures, BTSEX. What are these? Look at the FTX volume. It was in this list. Let's see the listing in the 24-hour volume. Look, Maxi is second. CoinTiger is here. Bybit and FTX is like 2, 4, 6. I mean, this is like crazy, really crazy. Now, BingX, everyone's trading at BingX. Look, like open interest is skyrocketing now. Finance is decreasing. FTX dead. What are these guys? Fuck, that it was that was the terminal trading with USDC? Maybe that's why I'm not seeing it. I just remember that there's 2. That's why I don't see it. USDC perk. Nope. Nope, no positions. Probably get wrecked. Let's see pilots. Basically, where's our guys? FTT. Where's our guys? Something happened here. I see the trades I didn't take, like ENS, Doge, Ape. Ape I took, not Doge. Right. Yeah, positions closed. Let's get wrecked again. Where's FTT? Yeah, this guy's going down. Not really good for me though. Yeah, most of them are new. Basically, all those exchanges. I really still can't believe FTX. Like, if you're not gonna keep your money on FTX, where are you gonna keep it? The good thing is, I'm very well diversified in that sense, but still, you know, what the actual fuck? It's basically last few months of trading is gone to FTX now. It's FTX property. I think this looks better, huh? You see, these ranges usually expand. For example, that was the range, extended 25%, extended 25%, and now look what I'm gonna do. Okay, this is just a quick trick. That's actually good for scalping. So you basically long here, short here, long here, short here, until, you know, some side is broken. And then you see this bearish market structure, then you start shorting it, and then, for example, this is your target now. This is the target. Actually, first target can be here. depending how aggressive you're scalping. And check this out now. I'm gonna try something else. Yeah, this works, but I think this will work better. This will work much better because when your first starting range is better, then the rest comes better also. Yeah, that's much better now. Much better now. This is a bit the worst part is there's no exact science to this. I realized it by chance when trading. I realized that these guys just move in certain percentages. And I tried. It pretty much works. For example, if this guy wants to get back in the range, it usually does it on this 21, and then do something like that. On Binance, ETH cleared loss. Binance ETH must be this one. Cleared all these. We have more. We have more loss. Yeah, this guy is going there. These guys. These are the lows that we want to be taken. At least these. So that's a given. We don't know about that. Native. Where was our FTT? Fuck. So try to use these small ranges stuff. Look, for example, I'm pretty sure that there is something there. So try it really. Just Nita. That was the half range of this. Broke down. That was the mid range. Go straight down here. And if I do the same there, I think I'm gonna find another one there. Yeah. Alright guys, I don't know if we're gonna take any trades right now. We tried, but we got our ass handed out to us. Here's TT. Yeah, let's check what's happening here. I'll try to because that's you can go like that, but I'm more like range oriented. That's why I go with the ranges if I can. You can use the trending tools. For example, you can just throw it VWAP here and go with that. But according to VWAP, you should be longing this to there. So if it reclaims, you should be longing, but there is no opportunity because it's strong. But maybe session VWAP it's gonna give us that, yeah. So basically every time it comes up, deviates down, you short your stops there, and then when it gets out, then you stops here. So when it's above the VWAP, stops on the deviation band. When it's below the VWAP and below the deviation band, outside the band, then you can use the VWAP. This is session VWAP, which means it shows the days VWAP. See, the day started here. It's like it's the mean reversion play. It gets out, gets in. This is not really something that you should play because it's super tiny range. But when it breaks out, then you have space, right? Then you have space. Then you have targets here. And then when it comes back in, again here it loses the VWAP. And then it does this around VWAP. Again short. Again does this short. Either you can take profits on these, lows. See, for example, that's better setup because down, it's downtrending. So that's where the trend started really. This is the start of the trend. This is, like the setup of the trend. This is the trend. So this is basically where the moves get bigger. Like this is a 60% move. This guy's dead. It's sub 2 now. I didn't realize that. I didn't look at this price. It's sub 2 now. Holy shit. Fuck, we know we're gonna get our money back. I'd still be careful here though. I'd still be careful. I mean, I know that it is also super stupid to long here, but I wouldn't go full short at this point. I mean, this cell is... Yeah, I think this might be the last capitulation event or something, because this is like crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. Which one? FTT? Yeah, this is... I mean, this is obviously... Yeah. Go away. Go away. BTC. Nice. Let's watch it here. Yeah, after this point there is nothing to hold. There's nothing here. Nothing to hold. That's exactly what we were waiting for. This is what Binance daily charts, perpetual chart. We need a longer chart. Let's say this. That could do also. All this data is enough. Yeah, that box was here. Yeah. And then there. Yeah, it's gonna, on the lower time frames, it's gonna either slow bleed like this. Because literally, I mean, there's nothing else. That was our best hope, basically. That low that we drew was our last hope. Yeah. Good. Now everyone has the opportunity to undo their mistakes. Where was that chart that we drew the line? Let's see. I'll go for let's find the targets. What can it be? was gonna get some put options, but I forgot. That was our best bet, because there's nothing here. Like this is a good zone, 12 to 13k. These I don't care so much. There's nothing there, but structure wise, this level is important. This level is important. And on the lower 10k, 7,500. I think it was something like that. That was price action there, as I remember correct. But of course, we need to. Yeah, basically these are the important levels. This one. Also, that is very important level. Also this one. I can actually do a bit like that. Yeah, this one is important. So 10k basically, 10k, 12k. You can a little bit, yeah, do something like that. Even you can do like this as a zone. This is important zone. That's also the beginning of a new value area. So see this one, it's like, imagine this, like it's entry to this block of price action. Obviously this guy has here see, look, there is also one area here that I will show you now. Oh fuck, we didn't do these, right? We didn't cover these volume profiles. Yeah, I'm just using them like we covered and we know it by heart. Okay, I'll do some videos for this. Okay, there is one point of price action here. Volume here. See, that was the void. You got inside the void. If it gets back, this is still to the upside for me. Why? Because yeah, I'm gonna record the video, but I'm gonna just say this because the context is here. See, most trades going on here, right? Most volume is created in this area, let's say. See the high volume nodes here. These are high volume candles, high volume areas, levels. So this is in here, this is the most most volume created. You don't need to go to the exact level, but compare it with the price action, which is close to that area, then you can mark that level also. That's why in here, if this was like this or like that, you know, not here, then I would say, like, if it loses this and holds, then straight down here. But now that I see this, these are the ones that can hold now. But then the first one, after that, if these are lost, then this area is completely, like, this is a demand zone basically. Not big demand zone, but demand zone. Again, look, where is my level? here, right there, right? I took the exact place, but if I hold it there, which level it makes sense around that? You go in there, which level makes most sense, which is closer to here? See, there is some price action here, right? Reclaim and then push, so you can just adjust it to there, to that flip, and that's your level. Again, for example, in this case, you can just adjust it to there, to this high deviation, and then break out. For this, you can use that one. Because that's the breakout region. Actually, this one is better. Like this better. See, just with little adjustments, those levels are more accurate. You haven't seen the accuracy right yet, but I'm trying to go there. Yeah. So that level is working pretty well. This one, yeah, worked well, quite pivotal. It's our level basically. We were operating with this level, right? This is our 19600 level. In here it's 19450 because it's the index. So yeah, now we need to watch it here, because look, still nothing changed. I mean, of course it's a short market right now, but still we're looking for the reclaims. If it reclaims, then it's a different story, because we're not, let me see, like, yeah, it's 10% though. Yeah, that would be, pretty naive to think that BTC would just run this and hold, and if it holds, the rest can come, doesn't matter. But I don't know if from this sell-off can it recover 10%. That I don't know really. But then again, plan is plan, right? That's the level to reclaim, hold above, and then this zone basically is the next target, and then this. Well, on the higher time frame wise, this is the target if it gives. Yeah, but personally, this would be naive to think that it's gonna do this. If it does, we would look to go long, but looking for that is something. Yeah, waiting for that position, it's something else. Even the lower time frame is not giving me anything. Yeah. I mean, you know, the best this can do, basically, maybe, you know, either that or like come come up there, deviate, and do something like that. It's again, look, same structures for the something happening here, just a second. What is this chart? Index. I'm not looking at index. This looks interesting, but this is index, so I'm not really. This is, we don't need that chart. That's Coinbase. Nope. I just ain't looking good. I think it's going there. Where was our levels? Also, look, the value area is this, and this is Coinbase. See, that's different from index. So basically what this says is there is two like spots like this, and it says if you start, if bounce, you will bounce from there, which is like 16,000, I think, top of this 15,700. And if it starts going down, that's your first support, and that's your biggest support, which is like the 9K area, I think, right there. I think the others is going to be pretty much the same with this. FTX could be somehow crazy. Yeah, somehow same, somewhat. You can, one of the best practices of doing this is come on. What's happening? I was gonna show, get rid of these. So basically that was the void. That's another void. Let's cover the voids. These are voids. There's another void here. section. That's the high volume node right here. In here, look, again, the highest volume happened there. It's an important level, but it finally broke down. But where to this? So basically what you see you, man. I'm gonna wrap it up also because I'm gonna do a video anyways for these. It's just I'm gonna tell you guys this and then so when you have these, basically the system is the same. This is the 70%. If this is 100, this is the 70% of the volume traded in this region. 68 actually percent, but this is showing 70 right now. And as you see, like whenever it goes out, comes back in, go to the void. Like this is one, this is section 2, separation. And then whenever it bounces up, it goes wherever it goes. This was the outside value area, and then whenever it comes back in, it goes to the void first and then breaks the void, goes to the other side of, and then makes a range, and now it breaks out. And I'm gonna show you one more thing. If I do this now, what's gonna show you? Basically, that was the most volume traded area. Let me put it like this, make it red or something. This, make it another color. And now get rid of this. Look, this is the value area of this range, and that's the value area of everything since 2020, beginning of 2020. So still, if it does that, technically, if it does that and reclaims to the range value area, and then it's first probably gonna go there, and then if it breaks out, it's gonna try something else, probably there to this area. 5-minute Devon BTC. Let's see. Weird one though. Yeah, I think I'm not interested in this right now. Because these slow bleeds can end up doing this like that, for example. Takes you out and then continue journey. Oh, and then it's dead. Yeah, it's not in the extremes also. Yeah, this guy is just, it's a super clean play, right? Breakdown, now bearish retest of this region. Probably going there now. Oh. What's that? Fortunately. I don't see any reason to check this guy now. Yeah, I mean, it's probably not gonna give it though, but I mean, what the short here? You can just play scalps. Where's BTC? And these are violent moves. Yeah, I told you it looks like it's gonna nuke. Looked like nuking. Look nuky. What about eat? What about eat? This ETC, I was like, this doesn't look like E chart. So basically, I'm gonna just put this here. I don't need anything else with this chart. I think it's the most important level, and then these levels. And there's nothing else with this now. It's very important though. Also, actually, this level is not bad either. So inside here, basically that range. ETH, you need ETH. ETH USD. And that's an index. Yeah, that's better. By the way, yeah, I'll again put it on video also, but sometimes, most of the times, spot volumes and futures volumes can differentiate, and very highly so. Okay, the most volume happened here, and that's the bad side because everything happened here. And even this is just from 2020, but this is spot. It means that people like crazily bought here in this region. I need a ETH derivative chart. I would like. So spot says this area is the most important area. See, for example, in here it's different. This top, I think, was the same, right? Or was it this? Yeah, in spot, this area was the most, like, I think it was like that and that. Now look at derivatives. Derivatives made the best during these, inside this. So this part has the most volume, and especially this. That's the most volume of all. That's most volume traded at this level. So I think, I mean, we need to check and see how ETH responds to these. Is it gonna come there and do this? Is it gonna start reclaiming? And then I don't know what's gonna do. You can get the. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. You can get the whole data like this. Again, it just didn't matter so much, but at least now you can see that there's a void there, which you can also see, right? There's a void there, and that's the first. Actually, that's the first area of support. If it's, start doing this, doing that, and then, because you can also see that like it's emptiness. All right, I think let's call it. It's been 2.5 hours and we haven't traded. We tried. And I'm super tired basically. Poor guy. It's going to zero. See, void. If it flips, it runs. That's how you can play the breakouts. If it holds, runs. Yeah, good night everyone. I'll see you all tomorrow. Hopefully to a better day. Good night.